I'm going to show you how we can add multiple image upload option in our product page. If we add this function or option, our customer will be able to upload multiple images for their custom order. Okay, here you can see this is our product. If I click on it, there is no option to upload any images for this custom order or product. We will add this option here. Here you can see I am in my home page. In my theme editor, from home page I will go to my product page. Okay, here you can see product. I will add a template for a particular product. If you want to show this option for your every product, then you can choose default product, but right now I am going to add this template for a single product. I'm going to name it custom create template. Okay, here we'll add assign exit, then go to products. Here you can see our product custom mug. Click on it and then choose the template custom. Here you can see the template custom. Okay, then it's saved. You can see the product is assigned with this template. Okay, let's go again online store, that means our theme editor. Edit theme. I will go again with the custom template. Here you can see we'll add this option, image upload option, under the add to cart button. Okay, we don't want buy it now button, so expand the product information, then buy button, toggle off it, dynamic checkout buttons, it is not showing now. Okay, then we'll take a block, add block, custom liquid, copy this code and paste here. Here you can see in my upload file section, I just want to put it underneath the quantity. Okay, go back and custom liquid, quantity selector, put it here. That's fine, then save. I'll see the preview now. I will give you the code in my video description. From here you will get the code. Go to preview. I am refreshing it. Then here you can see upload file option, upload files. I can upload multiple files from here. Here you can see four files has been added. Then click on add to cart. Here you can see the images are in my cart drawer. Okay, you can see view cart, or you can go to the checkout page. Click on checkout, and you will here you can see the images are here. By adding your details, then if customer order place the order, the admin or the shop owner will able to see these images in their order section. From here they can manipulate this order. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.